Good morning, dear followers. Good morning. So, today we have the unboxing. First, there's this one. I already opened it, sorry. It's Easy Speed. It's the water dispenser because I have to make an implant with this tank, 30 liters. My plan is put it behind this little cabinet with the tube, and and there's some connection to do it. And today I want to open this one with you, the toilet, so we can enjoy beautiful moment together, my dear followers. Together, yes. You know what happened on this one, right? Let me see what we can do. This is not so good actually. Come on. Yeah, this blade is good like me. Well, whatever. When I'm down here, my friend gave me hospitality in his beautiful house. And so I have tools, I have space for working on my car actually. So I have to be glad about it. We see what happened here, eh? Oh. Wow. This is the chemical toilet for happy moments together, dear followers. You see? That Ford or Porta Potty. Yeah. Which one is the brand? Porta Potty is the name. Okay. Oh. This smells. It's new? I think so. The plastic is very weird. Let me see what I can do, huh? Well, I'm very curious how to put this one. I think I put a stick with some screw here, or maybe a little plastic belt or stuff like that, with the pipe and another pipe that coming here, so I can doing the bidet. The bidet! The bidet is so good. You can wash yourself and you feel clean. Let me see this one, huh? Oh, I can open it. Oh, okay. Anybody home? Apparently no. Okay. This one is for the water over there, and the other one, this one, the big one, it's for the other container, because you can move it like this. Okay, yeah, you can see there's a valve here. Yeah. When you're doing your business, this one has to be open, and after you're closing it. That's good. Okay, the big one is for this pipe. Let me see. Yes. Oh, there's also these two products. This one, it's a chemical product for destroy your business when you finish, and this chemical product works. And this one, it's for the water, hygienic liquid for toilets flush. So you put it in this container with clean water. Yeah, I have to reading the instruction because I don't want to make mistakes in my first chemical toilet. The portable toilet. That's good. Let me see if this one works. Yes, look at that, look at that. The question is, that one has to, yeah, I think so, because in case the stuff goes out. Let me see, I'm not so sure. Okay, this way, yeah. Okay, yeah, yeah. Wow, looks good, eh? You wanna see inside? Yes. Look at that. Wow, it's a bit small. I feel like a kid again. Kindergarten. Okay, let me see this one. Wow, it's perfect. Yeah, and this one is the pump. But before it's a bit hard. Ah, okay, understood. It's just inside with pressure. And that's it. Okie dokie. You're doing this, and that's it. Moving it. Okay, because there's these two little hooks. Okay. Let me see. So take care. Of course. Where's best-selling toilet advice? Okay. So, wastewater, clean water. Makes sense. Okay. There's the special toilet paper. Have to be extremely soft. Yeah. This one is good because this one is also good for portable toilets. Oh, there's many languages. Swedish, Finland, Chinese. I cannot reading the Chinese. German, Russian language. Okay. English. There's no English. French. Well, whatever. Here it's in English. It's not so difficult. Okay, so yeah. Okay. So this one is 15 liters and this one 20 liters. So dear followers, here we go again. Now I have to put 100 ml here of this product and put some water. Very good. Extremely good. Here we go. This is enough for 15 liters actually. And we put it here. Wow. Let me see. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Eh? Mmm. So good. Really good. Really, really good. Now, let me see. Okay. Leave this. Now I want to see. Oh. Look this one. Ta-na-na-na-na-na. Wow. The porta potty. Now we put this one, the destroyer. Over there. Here we go. And after, I put a couple of liters here. So there's some waters inside. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. A couple of liters of water here with the destroyer. So when you're doing your business, there's already water with the destroyer, the chemical destroyer, blah, 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 that works inside, eh? Works really good. Here we go. Okay. We have to take care of the toilet there. And now I can fill up this one and it's ready. So, see you soon. I think it's almost full, eh? Yeah. It is. It's full. Completely full. Here we go. Wow, it's amazing. Amazing. Here we go. The porta potty.